Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to enable the blue light filter on your Windows 10 computer. So basically blue light will actually be able to help you see your screen better depending on the time of day, and there's other health benefits or supposed health benefits to it as well. So in order to actually configure the blue light filter settings, all you have to do is open up the start menu on Windows 10, type in display. If you give the results a second to load, you want to select Change Display Settings above System Settings. So select Change Display Settings here. You want to left click on Night Light Settings. So now basically these are your blue light filter settings. So if you want to schedule the night light, you can turn it on right through here. So basically this will allow you to adjust your color temperature to your liking, and you can also schedule the blue light filter to turn on or off at a specific time. So if you want to schedule it or set certain hours right through here. So it's definitely nice to know about, and you know what, I would definitely suggest you guys take a look at it if you haven't known about it already, and you're very easily able to turn it off if you ever changed your mind and wanted to go back to how it was before. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.